Hi there, I'm Kate from PageFly. In this video, we're going to recreate a section from Dossier, a brand that's famous for its high-end feel and luxury design elements. I'll be focusing specifically on how to set up the Shopify Trust Badge section by using PageFly Content List element. Trust badges signal to visitors that your website is secure and reliable, which is essential for building trust with potential customers. Let's recreate this section in PageFly. First, I'm going to access elements on the left menu, select PageFly tab, and drag and drop the layout with 2 column into the page editor. In the right column, I'll drop in an image element. Then, I'll go to the General tab, add new image in image source. I'll pick one that's similar to what Dossier uses, then click Done. Okay, so in the left side column, I'm going to put a heading that tells the Trust Badge section is all about. You can modify the content in General tab, then bold the specific content here. Add to Styling tab and adjust some style. You can utilize global styling to use predefined styling for elements across your store. Dossier used Founder's grotesque regular font that's not supported in Google Fonts, so we need to upload that custom font. If you don't want to upload custom font, you can use Google Fonts directly in PageFly. I will access extra functions, select uploaded font to upload Founder's grotesque regular. Then access global style to set predefined styling. For more details about upload custom font, please check the video showing on the top right corner or the link in the description box. Please note that you cannot edit all PageFly preset. Now I will set for typography 1, head to Font Family tab, click on Add Fonts, Uploaded Font tab, and select Founder's Grotesque that I uploaded before. Now you can add style for heading. I will set for the heading 1 style. Choose Font Family as typography 1. Set font family as 30. Remove the margin value. You can modify the same way for the body text. Back in the PageFly editor, just set the global style for the heading and select to heading 1 and heading 3 style. Any style you've set in global style will automatically sync here. Next up, I'm going to add a content list element. This element will help us speed things up by making everything look similar. It'll make designing way faster. As you can see, Dossier's Trust Badge section consists of an image and a paragraph. So I will choose this element, head to General tab to add one more content list item. Set item per row is 4. Now all you need to do is add image and modify the content. I will give you a quick demo. Please note that you only need to customize the style of a content list item. The style will be applied to that element in content list. Look, every paragraph is already styled the same way. That means you don't need to tweak each one individually. This will save you time and make your page look consistent. You can adjust some spacing for content list element. Don't forget to switch to mobile view to check responsiveness. You can set the item per row to 4 to make it similar to the layout on mobile of Dossier. By using content list element, I will quickly rebuild this section. If everything looks good, save your changes and publish the page. The new Trust Badge section is now live on your Shopify store. By adding a Trust Badge section like this, you're not only enhancing your store's design, but also building trust with your customers. This concludes our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching.